Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a firmware update on your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner in the app. Now scroll down a little bit until you find the firmware update. Click on it and now tap on update if there is an update available. If there's not, it won't show up here. Now wait a little moment, the robot will update itself. Now it's downloading, it most likely will restart afterwards and the update will be completed. And when it says that it's done, you can basically, well, is it done? It seems like it's not. Like I need to update again, right? It's weird. Maybe I actually do need to update, maybe it's a bug. Yeah, it seems like I need to update again. Yeah, maybe I'll do it, we'll see, but that's how you update. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.